EnviroSmart from Fellows is a patented technology exclusive to Aeromax Pro air purifiers that utilizes an array of self-regulating sensors to proactively react to changes in room occupancy, air quality, and noise levels, detecting the risks and automatically cleaning on demand. EnviroSmart offers different modes for different needs, allowing you to customize the frequency of air changes depending on your environment. Normal mode is ideal for shared spaces with high occupancy. When airborne contaminants or odors are detected, the unit will automatically increase air exchange rates to rapidly purify the air. If no additional sensors are triggered, upon the cycle's completion, the unit lowers to standby mode in order to help reduce consumption and increase filter life. As soon as occupancy or poor air quality is detected, Aeromax Pro will instantly begin cleaning the air again. In quiet mode, the unit runs at a lower fan speed when occupants are in the room to reduce disruptions. Once EnviroSmart detects the room is empty, the system will use all fan speeds to clean the air, and then moves into standby mode. EnviroSmart technology from Fellows creates a truly hands-free experience. Have peace of mind and show your occupants that they can breathe easy with Fellows air purifiers.